you mean I have to get up off the floor? Ow.
You like that, don't you? You like that fallen chair. Like my new telephone.
She's holding on to it. You just ripped her off of it. Make her do it again.
No, silly phone.
She hates you, Aaron.
Right. Don't push me away. I'll push you away. No, Mr. Telephone. I mean, Mrs. Ugh. So cute. She loves it when you do this.
I'm sure. Whoa, do you see that fuzzy
Oh,
right
she
there?
smacked me.
I didn't see it.
You like it. She's a clock like tick tock, tick tock.
Are you drunk?
As a matter of fact, I'm high.
Oh my goodness.
You love it?
Scoot back.
Oh!
I was saying that. Does she got her claws out?
No, she loves me because she doesn't want her claws out.
What?
She loves me. Don't you? Ow!
Exactly.
You bit me. She wants to play with my strand of hair. Oh, you just scratched my face!
Poor cat.
It's my beard. My mustache. You got your hair up my nose. You're like Jello.
What happened? She came back. Oh no, I don't want to start that again.
Alright, let me see it.